Good. Oh, kamusta guys? Long time no see ah. Medyo naging busy tayo kaya ngayon lang ulit tayo nakapag-vlog. Pero today samahan nyo kami ulit sa aming shoot. So kasama ko ngayon si Enzo. Dalawa kami ngayon. One photo and then one video tayo. So panoorin nyo kami kung paano yung ginagawa namin kapag nag-shoot kami ng kaming dalawa. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Dito tayo dadaan.
Let's go, guys.
Yan, papakita namin sa inyo kung paano mag-shoot ng dalawa lang, isang photo and video. Check nyo kung paano gumagana yung work namin. Oh. Can you move here, Kuya EJ? Yan. You have the same clothes with Andre.
Why do you remember my name?
Because I'm your friend. You remember me? I took your picture when your birthday is Spider-Man. You remember that? Oh. I'm the one who took the pictures. Oh, you smile ha? Oh. Yan, oh, Kuya Andre.
So
Can
this
you hug
time,
Andre?
medyo
I
maaga
see
dumating
Kuya
yung
EJ.
client natin.
Yay!
And we always prioritize our clients. So we did some portrait
Okay,
first.
can you kiss
Para
me?
at least fresh pa sila before we did our details.
One more. Sorry. Okay lang. Piti ka lang. One more, guys. Yay! One more. Wait lang, si Andre. Andre! Yan. Maganda, guys. Oh, Enzo, kita. Oh, closer, guys. Closer. Oh, sige. One more, last. EJ, I see. Oh, dito naman kay Kuya. Video. Rah! Ayan, oh. Grabe, sipag ng video namin, oh. So, kita ka, bro? Yan. Sige, okay lang, bro. Tira. Rah! Yan. Candid. Tutukan mo lang yung Enzo. Tight, Enzo, ah. Yan. Wow, yan. Nag-smile tayo. Ay!
When shooting kids, you need to use big gestures para mapansin ka nila. And be quick on your camera to get those split-second moments dahil mahirap na ulitin because of their short attention span.
Wait. Kuya EJ, sit ka here. Sit beside Andre. Yan! Smile! Yeah! Yay! Oh, lollipop oh! Tapos lang namin mag-portraits. So, details muna. Kasi sabay-sabay dumating eh. Kaya inuna muna natin yung client. So, kita ba ako? Grabe, napakasipag po ng shoot lang namin. Stage! Come on! Diba? Okay, so ang baba ng ceiling oh. So, super bounce lang tayo. Yay! Yan. Siyempre, bukod doon, gamit tayo ng main light here, directed dyan sa stage, and then we're gonna use this, we call this the bawang. Yan. So, already, 1, 2, 3. Okay na. What are you doing, Andre? Oh, go back, Kuya EJ, go back. Oh, last now. EJ, hug mommy and daddy, oh. Oh, hug mommy and daddy, EJ. Oh, stand up ka lang, stand up. Yan, cute! Yay! Pag yung mga ganitong shoot, lalo na mga play area, dapat matibay yung tuhod mo eh. Tsaka marami kang stamina. Nakakapagod umikot dyan, oh. Lalo na pag yuyuko-yuko ka. Yan. Ako medyo matangkad ako ng konti. So, konti lang. Kaya, pagka yung mga maliliit, ang hirap eh. Pero, yan, dapat kayo mga shooter, nag-ano kayo, nag-exercise kayo. Kasi hindi biro tong trabaho na pinasok natin. Grabe. Yan, dumadating naman yung mga bisita. So, isa sa mga magagandang kuhanan yung dun sa sa registration. Diyan nagaganap yung mga maraming batian, tsaka maraming candids. Picture pa, picture! One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ayan. So bukod sa candids, maraming group photos. Yeah. One more. Yeah. Okay. So abang-abang lang kayo sa registration. Dami nyo makukuha ng candids. Okay. Yan. Sige. Parami ng parami. Okay, good. One more. O, isang heart. Heart pose. Yan. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Thank you. Yan, hanap lang muna tayo ng mga group photo. May kasama rin tayong photo man, pero syempre iba yun. Iba yung work nila sa work natin. Yan. Okay, sige po. I see po, I see. Kuya, yan. Okay. Ready, 1. Yan. Okay, sama po lahat. 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay, thank you.
Hooray for Andre! Yeah, happy birthday, Andre!
Hip, hip, hooray!
What's birthday? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Everybody sing! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now raise your hands and shout happy birthday, Andre! 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! And last one. Walkie pose, walkie pose. 1, 2, 3, walkie! Alright, kids, enjoy your food.
Isa. Yan.
After the break, we're going to watch a magic show. So watch out for
closer.
that. Okay, so but right now,
Isang.
please enjoy your food and please hydrate.
Heart. Ikaw, brother. Yan, pashutin nyo rin yung photo man. So, kasama natin sila eh. Wow. Galing naman. Hi, Andre. Happy. Ayan, habang ino-cover mo yung event, nag-aabang ka ng candids. Glowing na. Sa pinaka-halaga. Ito na.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
At nagpalit pa nga ng
to
lyrics.
you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Faster this time, clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. close your eyes and let's make a wish for Andre before he blows the candle. Close your eyes, kids. Close your eyes. Make a wish.
Kita ko?
Make a wish. Yes, now at the count of 3, everybody shout happy birthday, Andre, as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Andre! Andre, blow the candle! Blow, blow, blow! Yes! Wow! Good job, Andre! Wow! One more time, happy birthday, Andre! Very good. Happy birthday, Andre. Now picture.
Photo man muna. Okay? Okay ka? Oh, one more!
One more!
EJ!
Yeah,
One
EJ,
more!
smile.
Okay! Ito na yung nakakapagod na part. So, yung mga laruan. Pero masaya kasi maraming candy dito. Yan. Ah! Ang hirap. Kapag nag-shoot, dapat naglalaro ka rin. Ayun! Ganun! Yeah! High five! High five! Yes! O, di ba? Ganun lang yun. Okay ah. Wow! Ito na mga nag-slide. Yan. Let's go. You know? Grabe oh. Sapay sa picture muna, picture. Kunyari hindi na stress. Yan, okay. Ikaw na. Hindi dapat sumasabay sa ano, nagtatravel. Go jump! Go jump! Higher! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ah! Woo! Ang hirap pag may edad na. Ah! Uy, wow, ganda niya na. Saan next? Dito. Yan. Ito. No, closer lang ha, closer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. Oh, look at the camera! Yan, ang ganda. Tapos na tayo mag-shoot. So, ano ba, nakakapagod yung pag-akit panaog dun sa sa play area, but it's fun. So, and hopefully, may natutunan kayo at may nakuha kayong tip sa pag-shoot natin today. And soon, mag-upload pa tayo ng more videos for more tips. And see you again soon. So, for now, bye-bye!